Rev-Trac's BTP change automation capabilities streamline and secure the management of changes across SAP's business technology platform by enforcing compliance, automating workflows, and simplifying transport migrations. With Rev-Trac, BTP change processes are governed end-to-end, supporting required approvals and facilitating a seamless integration with SAP's Cloud Transport Management Service, or CTMS. In this demonstration, we are going to use Rev-Trac to migrate an MTAR file across a 3-tier BTP sub-account containing a development, quality, and production node. We will be using Rev-Trac to reduce manual steps, enhance traceability, and ensure consistent, error-free BTP deployments. First, let's create a new Rev-Trac request, which will be titled BTP Change Automation Demo and will be of the project DevOps and type Cloud TMS. This Rev-Trac request is the change ticket that will be used to manage the end-to-end lifecycle of our BTP change. I've now generated Rev-Trac request 2479. Rev-Trac instantly generates a workflow tailored to this project type, ensuring that each change follows a clear, enforced path from start to production. I'm going to show you how we'll migrate a transport using this workflow. In the technical tab, we don't have any transports attached to this Rev-Trac request, so we're going to head to the BTP cockpit and access the Cloud TMS solution. The CTMS and Rev-Trac integration simplifies moving changes between SAP systems, minimizing delays and manual tracking. In our transport node, we are going to add a new entry titled Hello World and upload our demo MTAR file also containing Hello World. We have now uploaded transport request number 7353, which we will now import into our demo node. I'm going to select the transport and import the request into the queue. After approving the queue entry, we'll wait for the status to be updated to succeeded, and we can now see that the transport request 7353 is in the development node as part of the 3-tier BTP landscape. We'll now head back to the Rev-Trac request, and under the technical tab, we will hit edit and add the transport to our Rev-Trac request, which is already in the development node. I'll now add Hello World to the Rev-Trac request, and after hitting save, we can see the transport is now attached to this request. We can take a look at the action logs, which contain timestamps and user actions added in real time, showing a detailed history of every action taken, which is essential for compliance and accountability. With Rev-Trac, linking the transport request keeps all related records in one place, simplifying tracking and future audits. Now that the transport has been added and development is complete, I'll proceed with migrating this transport to the QAS system. I'll confirm that I am the programmer, review the migration actions, and sign and approve this step to migrate the change to QAS. After refreshing, we see the status is running. The logs show it was added to the queue, and we can view updates in real time. This transparency in log tracking reduces guesswork and lets us see each migration step as it progresses. As we refresh, we can finally see a successful result, showing the change is now in the quality system. I can check the logs to confirm that the steps have taken place during this stage, and also head to the workflow tab to see the audit trail of actions taken thus far, including the automatic update to the in QAS status due to a successful return code thanks to Rev-Trac's auto migration feature. Heading back to Cloud TMS, we can refresh the page and confirm that the BTP transport is also in the QAS node. A key feature of Rev-Trac is enabling and enforcing additional approvals such as user acceptance testing if required. So let's now imagine that I'm a tester who has just completed the testing of this change in the BTP QAS node. I can head to Rev-Trac and sign and approve this step, showcasing Rev-Trac's enforcement of separation of duties, further enabling compliant change practices. And now let's imagine that I'm changing roles again and I'm in the shoes of a deployment manager. I'm responsible for migrating our transports to production. Rev-Trac ensures that production migrations also follow strict governance, with customized approvals and role-based permissions, such as no self-approvals. I'll sign as the deployment manager, confirm the migration actions, sign and approve, and await the deployment to production. Once more, we can see the status of this migration, which is running, check the logs, hit refresh, and see that we've achieved a successful deployment. By checking the workflow tab, we can again view timestamps of each completed step from the beginning to the successful completion of this change. As a final confirmation, we can refresh our page in Cloud TMS and see that this transport is in the production node, marking a successful deployment and a completed change for the business. This comprehensive yet simple process in Rev-Trac makes handling BTP changes seamless and ensures that all necessary approvals and logs are stored in a single source of truth. Rev-Trac's Cloud TMS automation capabilities accelerate deployment, reduce risks, and enhance control over SAP BTP landscapes, making it essential for secure and efficient BTP change management. To learn more about how Rev-Trac can streamline your BTP workflows or explore additional features, visit us at revtrac.com.